In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a view in Zoho Desk. Whether you're new to Zoho Desk or looking for ways to streamline your ticket management, crafting custom views can be an incredibly useful skill. So, let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. First, let's start by accessing your Zoho Desk dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left side menu, where you will find the option labeled Views. This area is your gateway to creating customized views that will help organize your tickets more effectively. Once you've located Views, you're going to click on it. You'll see a menu with various options. Next to the word Views, there's a small plus icon, which stands for the Create Custom View option. Go ahead and click on this icon to begin crafting your tailor-made view. Now, the next step involves giving your new view a name. Be descriptive, yet concise, so that it's easily identifiable later on. This name will help you quickly locate and use the view whenever necessary. After naming your view, you will need to set up the criteria and visibility for this view. Criteria allow you to filter and determine which tickets will be displayed in your view. Think about the parameters that will best suit your needs. Perhaps you want a view that shows open tickets only, or maybe tickets assigned to a particular team. Choose filters that make the most sense for your workflow. In terms of visibility, decide who should be able to access this view. Is it something personal that only you need, or should it be shared with the whole team? Zoho Desk allows flexibility in this regard, so you can choose the best visibility settings for your requirements. Once you're satisfied with the name, criteria, and visibility, it's time to finalize your new view. Simply click on the Create button. This action will save your custom view, and just like that, your new view is ready and available for use, showing you the tickets that match the specific criteria you have defined. Creating custom views in Zoho Desk can significantly improve your ability to oversee ticket assignments and statuses effectively. And remember, you can always go back and adjust the criteria or visibility settings if your needs change. The flexibility of custom views can truly enhance your management capabilities and help you keep better track of your tasks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in mastering the creation of custom views in Zoho Desk. Feel free to explore more features and tools within Zoho Desk to further optimize your support system. See you in the next video.